The journey of life, 9 months in the womb. Every human life begins as a single cell, smaller than a grain of sand. Over the next 9 months, this tiny cell will grow, divide, and transform into a fully developed baby, ready to enter the world. It all starts when a sperm cell meets an egg, forming a single fertilized cell called a zygote. Within hours, this cell begins to divide, multiplying into hundreds, then thousands of cells. As it travels down the fallopian tube, it embeds itself in the mother's uterus, beginning the most remarkable journey of life. First trimester, the foundation of life. Week 1 to 4, the beginning of development. By the end of the first month, the embryo is just the size of a poppy seed, but major developments are already underway. The neural tube, which will form the brain and spinal cord, begins to take shape. Week 5 to 8, the heartbeat begins. Around week 5, something extraordinary happens. The heart begins to beat. Though the baby is still smaller than a blueberry, tiny facial features start forming, and the arms and legs begin to sprout. By the end of the second month, all the major organs have begun to develop. The baby's eyes, nose, and ears are becoming more defined. Week 9 to 12, the first movement starts. At week 9, the embryo officially becomes a fetus. It is now the size of a grape and can move its tiny arms and legs, though the mother won't feel it yet. By week 12, the baby's organs are fully formed and the heartbeat is strong. The first trimester comes to an end and the baby is growing rapidly. Second trimester, rapid growth and senses develop. Week 13 to 16, growth and reflexes. By week 14, the baby can now move its fingers and even suck its thumb. Reflexes develop, and the baby responds to touch. Week 17 to 20, the mother feels the first kicks. Around week 18, an incredible moment happens. The mother begins to feel tiny flutters and kicks. The baby, now about the size of a mango, is becoming more active. Week 21 to 24, the baby hears sounds. By week 22, the baby can now hear sounds from the outside world. The mother's voice, music, and even loud noises can be recognized. As the baby listens, it begins forming memories that will last even after birth. Third trimester, preparing for birth. Week 25 to 28, opening eyes and brain growth. Around week 26, the baby's eyelids open for the first time. Though the womb is dark, the baby can sense light and shadows. The brain is now developing billions of neurons, preparing the baby for life outside the womb. Week 29 to 34, gaining weight and strength. In these weeks, the baby is focused on growing. The lungs continue maturing, and body fat increases to help regulate temperature after birth. Week 35 to 38, final touches. As the due date approaches, the baby moves into a head-down position, ready for delivery. At this stage, the baby can recognize the mother's voice and respond to her touch. Final weeks and birth, a new life begins. After 9 months of growth, the journey inside the womb comes to an end. The baby is now ready to enter the world. The miracle of birth is complete. From a single cell to a fully formed human, this journey is one of nature's greatest wonders. Every heartbeat, every kick, and every movement has led to this moment. A new life begins. Understanding IVF, a journey to parenthood. For millions of couples worldwide, the journey to parenthood isn't always easy. But thanks to modern medical advancements, in vitro fertilization, or IVF, has given hope to many. In this video, we'll take you through the IVF process, its success factors, and what you need to know before starting your journey. What is IVF? IVF is a process where an egg is fertilized outside the body in a laboratory and then transferred to the uterus to achieve pregnancy. It's a solution for couples facing infertility due to various reasons, including blocked fallopian tubes, low sperm count, or unexplained infertility. Step 1. Ovulation stimulation. The process begins with hormonal injections to stimulate the ovaries to produce multiple eggs. This is closely monitored through ultrasounds and blood tests. Step 2. Egg retrieval. Once the eggs are mature, they are retrieved using a minor surgical procedure under mild sedation. Step 3. Fertilization. In the lab, the eggs are combined with sperm either through conventional fertilization or via ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, where a single sperm is injected directly into an egg. Step 4. Embryo culture and selection. Fertilized eggs develop into embryos, and the best quality embryos are selected for transfer. Step 5. Embryo transfer. A selected embryo is placed into the uterus through a painless procedure with the hope of implantation leading to pregnancy. Step 6. Pregnancy test. After about 2 weeks, a blood test determines whether implantation was successful. Factors affecting IVF success. IVF success rates depend on several factors, including age, embryo quality, lifestyle, and underlying health conditions. Women under 35 generally have a higher success rate, but medical advancements continue to improve outcomes for all ages. Emotional and financial considerations. IVF can be emotionally and financially demanding. Support groups, counseling, and understanding the financial costs can help couples navigate this journey with resilience and optimism. Common myths versus facts. Many myths surround IVF, such as the misconception that it always results in multiple births or that it guarantees success. The truth is, every journey is unique, and medical guidance is crucial in setting realistic expectations. IVF has helped millions of couples around the world achieve their dream of parenthood. If you're considering IVF, consult a fertility specialist to understand your options. Remember, hope and science go hand in hand on this journey.